your account. Okay, so you will get 10% fee discount. Okay, in spot trading or other trading in Binance Exchange. Okay, just click here. First register your account, use this referral link and do with me practical how to I am doing spot trading. You will find into the description of this video. Okay, just click and register.
Welcome to another day, new episode of spot trading. Okay, strategy is same, buy low and sell high. See how to do this. Okay, manual buy and sell using spot trading. As you will see here, my target is now 3 coins: BNB, Solana and COM. Okay, COMP USDT. But in this case, now I am buying Solana. See how to take profits this Solana. As you will see here, first check trend. Okay, now I am short term 5 minutes select. Okay, I am using short term trading. Now see, okay, trend and price. First your target is 205. Okay, your target is 205. Buy 205. Okay, everything is, click here on buy and your target is 205. Okay, in this case my balance is, okay, 1454 USDT, but I want to buy 1000 USDT of Solana. Okay, type here 1000 USDT. Okay, how many Solanas? 4.87. 205 your target. Click here buy now, then click here to confirm it. Okay, see how much time it will take complete. Now its price is going to 206. Okay, click on candle. Now it's again going to down 206 and 205. Okay, technique is same. You must check trading view, okay, Solana and history data on Queen market cap, volume, okay, same position, Ichimoku cloud, everything. Okay, and here is again going up 207, 206. But your target is 205. Okay, don't believe it 30% going up, and don't believe only candles red and green. Okay, you must research tradingview.com, okay, and coinmarketcap.com historical data, and check chart using Ichimoku cloud. Okay, I am showing you again on trading view chart, but I am showing you on computer screen. Okay, you will clearly understand. Okay, now I am again on my screen. As you will see here, it will execute it successfully. Now I am selling it market price. Okay, and click here, sell it. Okay, it will be sold. Okay, now see your profits. Again I am clicking here, see your profits. Okay, click here, order history. Okay, and click here, market sell. Okay, $1,009. It means that $9 you got profits. Just 5 minutes, just only 5 minutes you will got 9 USDT profits in this way. Okay, my buy rate is what? Okay, 998 USDT and $205. Okay, no, I am okay, but my profit is approximately 10 $11 11 USDT, because my buy price is total amount 998. Okay, now my sell amount will reach $1,009, as you will see here. Okay, if I am calculating this, okay, my buy price is 998 minus, okay, okay, and sell price is $1,009. My total profits is $11, as you will see. Just in 5 minutes I have got 11 USDT in this way. Okay, I hope you will understand how to buy low and sell high in this way. Okay, and you can repeat same process again and again. Okay, for example, repeat, buy, buy and sell, again buy and sell, again buy and sell in this way. Okay, now I am again buying same queen. Okay, same queen, limit order and buy it. Okay, 205, and how much amount? $1,096. Okay, click here, buy. Okay, in this way, repeat same process, repeat same problem, but you must be careful every time. Okay, research first, then repeat same process. Okay, okay, in this way you can trade and make more profits. I hope you will understand, okay, everything on this video. Okay, if you any confusions, comments me below in the description of this video.
Okay, already told me that a mobile screen is small and they don't understand. Okay, so I am showing on computer screen, laptop screen. As you will see here, first you must open tradingview.com. Okay, and click here and type your selecting trading coin. For example, in this case, Solana USDT. Okay, and time frame is short-term trading 5 minutes. Okay, and you must select this Heikin Hoshi candle. Okay, and here is you must select which Ichimoku cloud. For example, I am typing here this. Okay, just click here, it will appear here. Now your next step, click here to full screen to view chart, but it's showing you, as you will see here, market is neutral or stable of Solana. Okay, first you must understand Ichimoku cloud signals. Okay, there are many videos on YouTube about Ichimoku cloud indicator. Okay, you can watch or search on Google. Okay, what is Ichimoku cloud indicator? Okay, I am closing this EMA, just show here. Now I am checking it 30 minutes. Okay, or 15 minutes time frame. When you are checking it 15-minute time frame, now check it. Okay, as you will see here is two options. Okay, this is a green line and here is cloud and this is a red line, and cloud is also green. It means market is going up, but here is another signal, market is going down, because this red line is okay uptrend and conversion, and blue line is downtrend. It means that market is going down. And here is another line. Okay, this is 26 days up and this is 26 days back signal. Okay, and it is also showing market is stable condition. Okay, again click here and see 1 day. As you will see here on 1 day time frame, market is going up on 1 day time frame. Okay, as you will see here, it's also going up on 1 day time frame. Okay, but it's long-term traders. If you are clicking here 4 hours, on 4 hours it's also going uptrend. Okay, cloud is also going up and this line, green line, is also up. Other one, and here is blue line is also going to up. Okay, red line is down. Okay, on 4 hours time frame. And you can also check on coinmarketcap.com. Okay, type search box on the Solana and this window will appear, and its current price is 206, low price is 147 and 214. Okay, and check here is something more, market rank is 6, it's good. Okay, and click here historical data, see price fluctuations, how many days its price is going to up in 24 hours. For example, its open price 173 and close price 191. Okay, it's great changing in fluctuations. As you will see here, 147 low, 197 high. Okay, and here is also you are seeing open price, close price, open price, close price. There are many spreads. A spread means difference between low and high price. That's called spread. For example, you can calculate spread in this way. Okay, for example, 173.28 minus, okay, minus, and close price is 191.04, 191.04. okay, $17 are difference, as you will see here, open price and close price. It means that if you will buy it $173 and sell it $191, you will get profit $17. Okay, but sometimes if market is going your opposite direction, you will lose $17. Okay, price fluctuation is good, any coin and token. Okay, but it's short term, you buy and sell it. And you can also check it on Binance platform, or in that platform exchange where you are buying and selling. In this case, I am using Binance Exchange. 1 day time frame, and it's also going to up. It's uptrend, as you will see here. Okay, this is moving averages, and volume is I. Okay, in this way you check any coin and token. Procedure is same technique. Okay, and buy low and sell high in short term trading. Okay, in this way, but your investment is maximum of $1,000, then you will get more profits that coin and token. Okay, for example, I am buying Solana $1,000. Okay, obviously it will increase only $1, I will take more profits. Okay, for example, as you will see here, if I am calculating it, 998 divided by 205, 4.86. okay, multiply by 1 Solana equal to 207. Okay, my total profit is what? 11, 1007 USD. Okay, because my buy price is which? Minus 998. Okay, in this case my total profit is 9.73, just got in 5 minutes. Okay, in this way you can calculate it. I hope you will understand everything.